Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an ALDI USA account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First of all, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever application you are on, and then simply go ahead and search for ALDI USA. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and load up right over here. And now, once you're in this page, simply tap on the application, click on Get button and download and install it. Now, click on the Open button right over here, and now click on Create Account. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your username that you want to go ahead and create. Enter your email as well, and once you've entered your email, they'll send you a verification code on your email, and then fill all this out. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.